Didn't take long, and the convergence assembly is in place. Convergence. The center is perfect. Actually, horizontally on camera, it looks like it's not. Actually, both ways. See the blue? But in person, it's perfect. It's in the middle right there. And the deflection yoke was crooked. It was like that. Yeah, it's not too far off. Actually, convergence in this corner is better than it was when I got the set. There's a bit of red separation, but there's more separation of other colors. Some kind of hum bar in the picture, but my cabling is kind of weird. It's temporary. The reds look perfect in person. Of course, it looks more accurate in person. Yellows are kind of weak. They look good on camera. Linearity's pretty good. Vertically, it gets a bit squished right there as compared to in the middle. It's fine though. It's pretty good. This is a low-end set with the mechanical tuner. It doesn't have the chroma sharp picture tube. It's the digital tuner version has. We're back. It's late May, and I have convergence strips. She's a bit purple, the littlest bit. It's not as bad as the JCPenney branded RCA. Still a little bit purple, yikes. I changed the 240p test suite grid scroll, GIF. Vertical lines are brighter. Anyway, it's a bit off. That's what I'm going to correct. Barely made any change. I did readjust focus though. Pretty good. Little improvement. This thing looked amazing before. The transmitter has been repositioned again. Want to keep the power cable away from the video cable. It does that high-pitched noise that even I can hear for a minute or so. Not a minute, for a few seconds. My Trinitron did that, the first one. I mean the second one. First one was a fail. Oops. Oh, here we go. Error appropriate. Speaker sounds good. Transmitter's only mono. Looks like we got a good signal. This was actually in a video of me showing how I repositioned this. I mean the after. So I'm just going to let this run a while. Got this off the Heartland channel before they discontinued their over-the-air service. I got a bunch of these videos because they're not on YouTube. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I remastered it. I only do it for standard def video just to clean up the artifacts and the blocky artifacts and everything else. Still need to mess around with the antenna positioning. This doesn't have the chroma sharp picture tube, but hey, they could have fooled me. It's not very air appropriate, but widescreen. Anyway, it has good colors. Anyway, let's mess with the antenna some more. What the hell is it doing? And how long does it do that for? This transmitter's been running for over a month. Had to pause the song, and just in case, I removed it. I think we will wrap up the video.